Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, I'll be discussing about how you can integrate Google Tag Manager with Go High Level. Okay, so if you want to set up conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager for your Go High Level funnel, then you can consider watching this video. So this would be a complete process where I'll be showing you how you can do it. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get it started. So you can see over here, I'll be setting up Facebook Pixel, Google Ads conversion tracking, and Google Analytics for conversion tracking for this website. Okay. So basically, I'll be setting up a page view event. Then I have a booking page or preparation call page or schedule page, or I'll be naming this according to the client's requirements actually. So the client requirements was to call this page or to call this event as at payment info, and this is the thank you page where I'll be naming this event as lead event. Okay. So first of all, let's connect Google Tag Manager, or let's integrate Google Tag Manager with Go High Level. So you can see over here, this is one of the Go High Level accounts of mine. So I'm gonna use this one, Sonic Tags, because you can see this website is for Sonic Tags. Okay, just wait a little bit. And for integrating Google Tag Manager with Go High Level, I'll go to the site section. Then you can see different types of funnels available here. So I'll be choosing tax season 2024. Okay. And I'm gonna be choosing tax return 2024. This one actually, tax return 2024 FIFO workers. Okay. Perfect. So you can choose any of your funnel. Okay. So you can see over here, we have two pages available here, home page and thank you page. So if you want to set up individual tracking for Facebook Pixel, then what you can do in the previous video, I have shown you how you can define the events or how you can write the codes for home page. And this is for the base pixel. So in the home page, you can go to the settings portion, then you can use the page view code. Then in the thank you page, you can write the code from the meta standard event. You can copy the code from there and paste it over here if you don't want to use Google Tag Manager for Facebook Pixel. So similarly, if you want to set up Google Ads conversion tracking without Google Tag Manager, then you can do it. Similarly for GA4, you can also do it. But in general, if you want to set up the holistic conversion tracking, then I would suggest you to use Google Tag Manager, because if you insert only header and footer code of Google Tag Manager, then you can implement them in any of the platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Google, then LinkedIn, and GA4 as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the settings section. Then you can see over here we have an option called head tracking code. So I'll go to the tag manager and I'm gonna click on this, and I'm gonna copy the header code from here. Okay, and I'll paste it over here, and then I'll click on save. So initially, there was no Facebook Pixel, and if I show you, then you can see over here there was no Google Tag uh, GTM code over here. So I have just integrated Google Tag Manager with my Go High Level funnel. Okay, so you can see over here this is the GTM code. Okay, heading code. So let's try, or let's see whether Google Tag Manager has been inserted or installed for this website or not. So I'm going to refresh the screen. Just wait a little bit. So you can see over here Google Tag GTM WSQKND. So let's go to the Tag Manager GTM Google Tag Manager has been installed for this website properly. Okay, perfect. So let's go to the Tag Manager. So I have created all the necessary events for Facebook Pixel, then GA4 and Google. So I'm going to explain them. So first of all, let's come with the Facebook. Then later we can go to the Google and GA4. So you can see over here, Facebook event name is Page View. Okay, so if I click on it, then you can see over here, I'm using Facebook Pixel template. Okay, and the triggering is Page View. Okay, perfect. Then if I go to this one, Facebook event add payment. So add payment is basically this page preparation code. So you can see over here, I have named the event as a add payment info, and I have configured the trigger as page view contains preparation code. Okay, page URL contains actually. So if I go to this page, then you can see over here, page URL contains preparation call. So this one is for add payment info. Then this is for lead or sign up. So this is basically the thank you page. Okay. So the event name is lead. You can name it as per your requirements. You can name the custom name as well. Okay. But lead is better for me. Then you can, if you see the trigger, you can see over here, the trigger is page URL contains thank you, page URL contains FIFO. Okay. Perfect. So this is for the Facebook, and if I show you, this is for the Google. So first of all, I have created this tag for Google, which is conversion linker, which is necessary for creating Google Ads conversion tracking. Then Google Ads conversion name add payment info. So if I click on it, then you can see over here, I'm using conversion ID, conversion label, and the trigger would be same. Similarly, if I go to Google Ads conversion name, this is basically sign up. So instead of lead, I'm using the event name as sign up. Okay. Then Google Ads remarketing. Okay, so I'm using conversion ID, and triggering will be all pages. Okay, so similarly for GA4 tag, so this is the Google tag for GA4. So you can name it as per your requirements. I basically name it like this. Okay, so this is the uh, tag ID actually, data stream ID actually. So if you go to the uh, analytics, and then you have an option called admin, then if I go to the admin, then I have an option called just wait a little bit, data collection and modification. Then I have an option called data stream. So inside this data stream, I have an option called measurement ID, which is basically Google tag ID, okay, for GA4. So the triggering would be all pages. Then you can see I have created an event called GA4 event and add payment info GA4 event name sign up. So if I click one of the events, then you can see GA4 measurement ID and event name as add payment info. So this is according to GA4 schema. Okay. And if I go to the sign up event, then most probably I have named the event as generate lead. Okay. Perfect. So this is how you can set up conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager for your Go High level funnel. So I'm gonna show you whether they are working or not. So I'll click on preview. Then I'm gonna enter the website URL as this. So I'll click on connect. So if I go to the tag assistant and click on continue, then you can see over here Facebook event phase view, conversion linker, Google tag for Google Ads, Google Ads remarketing, Google tag for GA4. Those sort of tags are firing. So if I try to show you whether this page is working fine or not, so I'm gonna copy the URL and I'll go to the preview section. And I'm gonna enter the URL and I'll click on connect. Then I'm gonna go to the tag assistant. Then you can see over here, Facebook event add payment, goal ads conversion name add payment info, then GA4 event name add payment info. So they have fired. Okay, perfect. So let's come to the end, which is thank you page URL. So I'm gonna copy this thank you page URL from here and I'll paste it over here and click on connect. And let's see whether lead or sign up events are firing or not. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna click on continue. You can see over here. Thank you, tag assistant. Somehow it is not firing. Okay, maybe I need to change it. I need to change the trigger. So let's go to the trigger and change it to let me remove this one and click on set. Okay, so I'm gonna click on preview. Click on continue. So you can see over here, Facebook event lead sign up, Google Ads conversion sign up. Okay, so this is one of the troubleshooting I'm making in the video, J4 event sign up. So it is working properly. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can set up conversion tracking for Google Ads, Facebook Pixel, GA4 using Google Tag Manager for your go high level funnel. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can consider subscribing our channel, following our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.